Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Accounting Basics by Satyalakshmi. Today we are going to discuss about our sixth sum of journal proper. Today I has taken a new sum for the journal proper topic. In this sum we have to rectify the errors. We already discussed in the theory part rectification of errors. So for that topic I has taken a sum. Rectify the following errors dated on December 31st, 2018. So errors will happen sometimes in any type of business. It's very common. At that time we have to rectify that errors. So these are the some errors. How to do and what we have to do if the errors will occur in a business. Right? This is our first error. Machinery purchased 20,000 rupees. We has purchased the machinery. We has purchased the machinery but wrongly debited to purchase account. What is the journal entry for machinery purchased? Machinery account debtor to cash account. That is the journal entry for the machinery purchased. But wrongly debited to purchase account. So they are debited to purchase account. That means purchase account debtor to machinery account. They return purchase in debit side and machinery in credit side. So we have to rectify that error. So the original entry for machine purchased is machinery account debtor to cash account, but they are wrongly debited to purchase account. That means they return purchase account debtor to machinery account. So we have to rectify that error. So for that we have to write the same entry in the reverse. Okay. So first we have to write date 2018 December 31st. Right. So what they did? Debited the purchase account. The machinery is debited to purchase account. That means they return purchase account debtor to machinery account. For rectifying that, we have to make it reverse. That means machinery account debtor to purchase account. So they return in the reverse way. So we have to write that entry in the reverse. They debited purchase. So in this entry, see here, machinery purchased. So they wrongly debited purchase. They wrongly debited that purchase. So they return purchase in debit side. So here we has written purchase in credit side. So purchase, there is no issue, there is no importance for this entry. So here we have to, for normal account machinery purchase, we have to write to cash, machinery account debtor to cash. We have to write cash in this place. But they wrongly debited. For that we has credited this purchase. So both sides purchase will be cancelled. So there is no loss. And the amount is 20,000. We have to write the same amount. 20,000 rupees. And next, in the same way, next we have to write the narration also. Why we return like this? So we have to write the key narration. Okay. Being wrong debit purchased instead of machinery account now rectified. So This is rectified account. This is rectified entry. So that is we have to mention here. This is now it is rectified. Right? And next one. Commission received 3000 rupees. We have received commission. What is the entry for received commission? Cash account debtor to commission received account. That is the original entry. Now what the wrong was happened? Wrongly credited to interest received. Cash account debtor to commission received account is the original account. But what they did? Cash account debtor to interest received account. They did like that. So, we have to rectify this transaction. That means what they did? They credited interest received. They wrongly credited interest received. The interest received is wrongly credited. And now to rectify this interest received, we have to debit the interest received. Interest received account debtor to commission received account. So the commission received is as usual like this only. But here we have to write cash account to commission received. But they wrongly credited. Instead of commission received, they written interest received. So we have to make rectify. So they written in credit side. We have to write it in debit side. So debit side and credit side, the amount was tallied. And the amount is 3000. And next, the narration. And the narration is being wrong credit of interest received account instead of commission received. Now rectified. It is rectified because the return interest received in credit side. We have rectify it to debit side. So debit side and credit side will cancel the both amounts. It will become no issue in the final account. And next one, salaries paid to accountant Prakash, 10,000 rupees. Salaries paid to accountant Prakash, 10,000 rupees. What is the entry for salaries paid? Salary account debtor to cash account. But what is the wrong? Debited to his personal account. What they wrongly returned? They wrongly debited the amount for his personal account. They wrongly debited the amount for his personal account. They return Prakash in debit side. They return Prakash in debit side. Then it will be a personal account. So we have to, what we have to do? We have to credit the Prakash. Salary account debtor to Prakash account. So we have credited Prakash here. They are wrongly debited Prakash. Now we have rectified to Prakash. The amount is 10,000 rupees. And next, the narration. Being the wrong debit Prakash account instead of salary account, now rectified. They are written Prakash instead of salary. Right? So we have credited Prakash. It is rectified. Don't forget to write the rectified in the narration because it is completed. It is rectified. There is no mistake here. Right? And next transaction. Purchased goods for rupees 8,000. We have purchased goods 8,000 rupees but recorded as 80,000. What is the entry for goods purchase? Purchase account debtor to cash account. But here there is recorded as 80,000. There is 8,000 rupees transaction but they recorded in 80,000 rupees. What we have to do? Now, purchase account debtor to cash account. Now, we have to reverse. We have to make reverse that entry. That means cash account debtor to purchase account. 8,000 goods is wrongly recorded 80,000. So we have to make 80,000 minus 8,000. That means 72,000. Right? So that 8,000 will become 72,000. Right? And now, narration. Being rectified the excess amount recorded. Right? And next one. Paid cash to Rohit 5,000. We have paid cash to Rohit. What is the entry? Cash paid to Rohit. Rohit account debtor to cash account. And now wrongly debited to Mohit account. So we had paid to Rohit but wrongly debited to Mohit. So Rohit account debtor to cash. Instead of Rohit, they has written Mohit. So we have to, what we have to do? We have to credit the Mohit because they wrongly debited Mohit. They has debited wrongly. So now to rectify this, we have to credit Mohit. That means Rohit account debtor to Mohit account. And the amount is 5,000 rupees. The narration is being rectified wrong debit of Mohit account instead of Rohit account rectified now. Right? These are the rectification of errors. Errors will happen but we have to rectify it. If we has wrongly debited that, we have to credit it. and we has wrongly entered the amount. We have to less the wrong amount minus the original amount. So instead of the names has been changed here. So if the name is debited, we have to credit that name, the wrong name we have to credit it. So these are the rectification of errors. I hope you all understand the rectification of errors topic. This is our question and this is our solution for the rectification of errors. Hi friends, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.